Ka sorkar Jylla Shen kan sedang benpen krek no ikisin jam bantung haduk palat 6,000 tali ki kam nonghikai ha ki skul bat ki college sorkar bapher ha keleng ke Jylla. Ha bapentep ya kani ha ka khatway trik no pra u menteri katanat puli puthi urakam sangma ulaong. Ha kini ki shibnai benwan ngin sakhot ya ka jingpen bena lat kam ka bahaduk palat 6,000 tali ki kam hikai ha katanat puli puthi kata naduk ki higher and technical education college but higher secondary but primary school. Ha kini ki ar but lai tayo benwan ngin sapen mi ya ka jingpen bena na ka benta ban pendap ya barok kini ki kam ki balai ula benram. U menteri ula ong ru baka jingshim ra jong ka sorkar ban sedang no ya ki science stream ha ki santali ki college but commerce stream ha ki laitali ki college kalalam sya ka jingpen mi ya kumba ars pa sa pratali ki kam shen ngin sapen mi ya ka ni ka jingpen bena light kam kenang ban penting kena bagi ni ki course kin la ban sedang no ha ka snam puli ka banwan ula ong kumju u menteri ula pentip ru baka jingthong ya u vice chancellor jong ka captain Williamson Sangma State University lala ban pandam. Ngikwa ban sedang ye ki kattu kat ni ki postgraduate course nadu ka snam puli ka banwan. Kum taru ka university kan sakhot mardor na ka benta ka jingthong kam ula banram.
Government has decided to start the science stream in 5 colleges and commerce stream in another 3 colleges. That means Maukulang and Mahindagans. Science stream will be open from next academic session. And Rosora, Williamnagar and Bakmar Government College, the full-fledged science commerce will be start from next academic session. So in the process, about 248 posts has been created in these 5 colleges, and we will be calling advertisement very soon. So I think in next 2, 3, 4, 5 months, in next 1 month time, we will be calling the advertisement for more than 1,000 plus vacancies in the education department, in higher and technical, in the colleges, in the higher secondary, and also government primary school. So maybe in next 2-3 weeks we'll be putting up the advertisement for the recruitment of more than 1,000 plus vacancies in the state. And also second, since the appointment of vice chancellor for the state university has been completed, and in that we want to start from next academic, at least some department under postgraduate courses. So for that we will be from the university, they will be calling for recruitment immediately as soon as possible. So maybe in next 4-5 months, maybe more than 1,000 to 300 plus vacancies will be peeling off from the qualified candidate in the state.